Welcome to Shri Sai Guru channel. Dear student, today we are discussing one more question from the lesson surface area and volume. The class 10th standard. What is given here? A pen stand made of wood is in the shape of the keyboard with four conical depression to hold pens. The dimension of keyboard are 50 cm by 10 cm by 3.5 cm. The radius of each depression is 0.5 cm and the depth is 1.4 cm. Find the volume of the wood used in the entire stand. Okay, this is very simple question. Yes, what is given situation here? You are having what? One wooden stand which is in the form of the cuboid. The cuboid dimension is given, that is 50 cm by 10 cm by 3.5 cm means these are the length, breadth and height of the cuboid, and the radius of each depression. The depression is in the shape of the cone. Yes, so its radius is how much? The radius of each depression is 0.5 cm. Depth of the depression is 1.4 cm. The depth of the depression is the height of the cone. So we should calculate the volume of the wood used in the entire stand. So now I have drawn the diagram. Yes, actually the diagram is already given in the textbook. Okay, so you are having what? One cuboidal stand which is made by the wood, and it has, so this is nothing but a pen stand. Four pens makes depressions here. So this is the depressions which is in the form of what the cone. Here I want to draw diagram. Yes, second pen and the third, next last one more pen. So totally 4 pens are there. So it makes what? Cone like this depression. Yes, so this part is a depression and its radius is given. The radius of the depression is how much? It is given 0.5 cm. Then depth of the depression is also given. The depth is 1.4 cm. Okay, so here you are having what? Some like this depression. So the depression is in the form of the cone. 4 pens are there. Okay, na? So we should calculate the volume of the wood. Okay, the volume of this cuboidal shaped wood is the volume of the wood minus the volume of the 4 depressions. We have to subtract the volume of this part, depression part. So here you are having what? 4 depression now. For example, this is the one of the surface of the board. So you have what? Like this depression. Yes. Okay. So 4 depressions are there here. Likewise 4 depressions are there. So see, we have to calculate the volume of the wood. Volume of the wood used in the entire stand. So that is the volume of the cuboid minus volume of the depression. In the depression, how much volume is there? That you have to subtract. Yes. First, what are given here? Length of, this is for the cuboid. Its length is how much? 15 cm, 10 and 3.5. 15 cm. Breadth is 10 cm. And the height is how much? Height is 3.5 cm. Yes, 3.5 cm. And the radius of depression. Radius of depression is how much? Radius is yes, depression is 0.5 cm. 0.5 cm. And depth of depression. Depth of depression is 1.4 centimeter. Is it? Yes, it is 1.4 centimeter. See, this is the height of the depression, so which is in the shape of the cone, and here the depth of the depression is nothing but height of the cone. Understand? Yes. Then the radius of depression is this much part. This is the radius of the depression, which is nothing but the radius of the cone. So finally, the volume of wood used, that is equal to the volume of cuboid plus, minus, you have to subtract now, minus volume of cone depressions. The depression is in the shape of the cone. That is nothing but the four depression is the volume of the four cones. Yes, okay. Let us start here. The volume of the cuboid is L into B into H minus 4 into the volume of the four depression means the volume of the four cone is equal to, that is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square H. So here four depression is in the shape of the cone. Don't get any confusion. So let us continue. Okay, till here I think you understand. It's a very simple. You are having what? To put a stat. Then you have what? You want to put a ball pen. So then this makes what? Four depression. The four depressions are in the shape of the cone. Then we have to calculate the volume of the wood used to make the stand. Clear? Let us continue. Okay, this part I will go. Yes, now carefully. Diagram also, I think you understand. Yes, what is L? Again I should say here what is L. The length is 15 and 10 and 3.5. 15 into 10 centimeter into 3.5 minus 4 into 1 by 3 is 4 by 3. Pi value 22 divided by 7. The radius is 0.5. It's a square into height of depression is 1.4. Okay. Now look at here. The first term. 10 into 15 into 10 into 3.5 is a decimal number. You convert into fraction form. So it has got one decimal. So denominator becomes 10 minus anything cancellation, nothing. So 22 4s are 88 divided by 21. 3 7 is 21. 0.5 whole square is 0.25. 0.5 whole square is 0.5 square is 0.25 into what I do here, I will convert 1.4 in decimal in fraction form, that is 14 divided by 10. Next also I will convert 0.25 in the form of the decimal fraction. Yes, continue. Yes, then here 10 get cancelled. 35, 15 is how much? 15 5 is 75, 7 carry. 15 3 is 45 plus 7 is 500. 52. That is volume of the cuboid is 525 centimeter cube. Okay, minus 88 divided by 25 into 0.25. What is the fraction form of the 0.25? That is 25 divided by 100 into 40 upon 10. So let us simplify the second term minus. So here any cancellation is there. 25 ones are 25 fours are then 4 ones are 4 22s are 2 then okay I think it is okay here it is there no? 2 5s are 2 7s are then 7 ones are 7 3s are then what is remaining here 22 into 1 that is 22 divided by 3 5s are 15. 22 divided by 15 should convert into what? It should convert into decimal form. Then 525 minus 22 divided by 15 is our 15 ones are 15, 12 minus 5 is 7. Okay. Then 15 5s are not 15 4s are. Yes, 15 4s are 60. Yes, 60. Then okay. Till 1 decimal place 1.4. Okay, now I have calculated the volume of the. You can continue also, no problem. Yes, taking 0, 15, 6 are. Okay, na? 15, 6 are 19. Okay, no division, no need to consider. That is 1.46. This is the volume of the four depressions. So let us subtract here. In working column, everything we should do in a working column. 525 minus 1.46. Minus 1.36. Okay, how much it is? 10 minus 4 is 6 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. And here 4 minus 1 is 3. 523. 523.54 centimeter cube is the volume of the wooden stand. So this much. What is the question given? Find the volume of the wood used in the entire stand. The volume need to do or to make the wooden stand is 523.4 centimeter cube. Okay. So please do practice. So surface areas and volume chapter is big chapter, so simple. So only the whole lesson consists of regarding surface area and the volume. Understanding the formula, which formula has to apply in which problems, has to identify properly. Okay. Take care of yourself. Yes. Please do share, comment, like and subscribe Shri Sai Guru channel. Thank you.